Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the pre-cat ornament in Hearttopia. So at this modular street event at the Hearttopia, you can unlock many cool rewards at the battle pass like this. And one of the items that you can unlock is this pre-cat ornament. And to unlock this recipe, to get this recipe, first you must reach level 43 at the battle pass like this. And to get this level, you need to collect festival points. This one, you can get the festival points from the town festival catalogs that are available each week like this. Or you can also get the festival points from the collections rewards like this. And then you can also get these points from the daily quest or weekly quest. And then after that, after you reach 43, you will unlock this recipe automatically and it will add it to your workbench, and then next you can just craft this furniture at your workbench anytime. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.